Oh Lord, I call your name.
When the night is dark and cold and my heart feels all alone, you remind me I am known. Jesus, you're my home.
Be my light
When I can't see,
be my strength.
when I am weak,
Hold my heart,
never let me go.